I've been getting a lot of comments on the videos about the website that I use, how I use it, and what attachments are needed to make it more successful. So in this video, I'm going to show you what website, how to get to it, and what I have for extensions to make it a little easier. The two things that we're going to need is the website and a Japanese dictionary. I use Yomitan. I will show you how to download it, and I'll show you what I have for it to make it a little easier for you. Okay, so we're just using Google right now to find the website. Easiest way to do it is just to type in easy Japanese news. And right away, it comes up with the NHK website. You can just click on that. And then this is the main page. They're all very short articles. And if you don't see something that you like, you can just scroll down and you can just keep going, keep going, keep going. I usually look for relatively short ones to make it easy for the videos, but a nice thing about this website, so let's just click on one. Okay, so we have the title and then we have these two buttons up top. So what these two buttons are is this is the audio for the article. So if we click that, so it'll actually read the article for us so we can listen to that. Also, if you want to challenge yourself, this button right here, basically, if you look at the title, it will add and take away the furigana. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do that. So it's kind of up to you how you use it. You can make it easier, more difficult, just depends on how you want to learn. You can listen to the article first, listen to the article after. It's however you want to do it. For my videos, I'm just reading and then trying to translate as for the video, but behind the scenes, I listen to it. Sometimes I'll take away the furigana to make it a little harder for myself, but it's completely up to you. The second part of this is getting a dictionary. Again, we're at Google. You can just type in Yomitan, and right away you'll see here Chrome Web Store, Yomitan Pop-Up Dictionary. We'll download it here, and then I have it attached as an extension so it's automatically there and easy to get to. And once you have it downloaded, we're going to be looking at this page. So there's a few things we look at here when we get this. Obviously, your language you want is Japanese. Come down here, you'll see the dictionaries. I have 3 installed. So basically they have a ton of dictionaries here, recommended dictionaries. You can go right there and just look at what you want. So personally, these are the ones that I have downloaded. You can use that if you want. And keep in mind, the order is by so number 1, that'll pop up first. If you look over here, it says the jitindex.org. And that's the number 1. And if you scroll down, it'll get to your other dictionaries. It just depends on what you want to see and what you want to get out of the dictionaries. And when this pop-up comes over here, that means that it's working. One other thing I forgot to mention, if we scroll a little bit lower, you're going to see this scan modifier key. I have mine on shift, so I just hold the shift button while hovering over Japanese, and it'll bring up the pop-up dictionary. And then we can just come back here, click on a random article. We have some Japanese. I hold shift while I'm hovering over it, and it'll translate the word for me. And you can just go across and have that dictionary as I'm holding shift. So that's how I use these two things to study. You can do it however you want. I've just been getting a lot of comments about it, so that's how I personally use it. So I know there's going to be a lot of people asking why I use this website. So real quick, this has been the best website that I have found for a very beginner reading level. My grammar is getting better, but it's still not to the point I want it to be at. I was using Satori Reader for quite a while, and honestly, the grammar was just too difficult for me. I was having to look up way too much, and I feel like I just wasn't getting enough. So right now I'm trying to step back, read some easier stuff like these articles, and eventually I'll move back up to Satori Reader when my grammar catches up a little bit.